Did you know that in our body, there is an organ system that regulates our urine performance? The system is the urinary system, organ system that produces, transports, and stores urine. The urinary system works to dispose of liquid waste from the body, filtering out hazardous substances in blood that combine with excess water to form urine. To understand it more deeply, let's focus on the anatomy of the urinary system. The urinary system consists of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidneys, a pair of bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering blood and forming urine. The kidney is divided into parenchymal part and sinus part. Parenchymal part is the outer part consisting of the cortex and medulla, and the sinus is in the inner part consisting of the urine-collecting structure and vascular exudation. In the kidney, there is the smallest functional unit, namely nephron. The nephron consists of three-part vessel, corpuscles, and tubules. Ureters, a pair of thin tubes or canals that connect the kidneys to the bladder. The ureters are the main tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. They are aided by peristaltic movements that regularly push urine toward the bladder and prevent backflow, thus protecting the kidneys from infection. Urinary bladder. The bladder is a hollow, sac-like organ located in the lower pelvic cavity that temporarily stores urine before it is expelled from the body. The bladder wall is composed of elastic, smooth muscle, allowing it to stretch when filled with urine and contract when urine is expelled. And urethra, the final channel of the urinary system that connects the bladder to the outside environment. The urethra contains sphincter muscles that control the opening and closing of the channel, so that the process of urine excretion can be consciously controlled. So, we've learned about the parts of the urinary system. Now let's learn about the process of urine formation. Urine formation occurs in the kidneys through a process called excretion. Our kidneys are composed of millions of filtering units, commonly called nephrons. Nephrons play a role in urine formation through three stages: filtration, reabsorption, and augmentation. Blood enters the glomerulus through a small artery afferent arteriole for filtration. Pressure forces water and small substances out of the blood vessels into the Bowman's capsule. Only small molecules water, ions, glucose, urea, and creatinine pass through, while larger substances such as proteins and blood cells remain in the blood. The result of filtration is called filtrate. Then the filtrate passes through the proximal convoluted tubule. Here, many useful substances are reabsorbed: water, sodium, Na, glucose, amino acids. The filtrate continues into the loop of Henle. The loop of Henle has two parts: the descending limb and the ascending limb. In the descending limb, water is reabsorbed back into the blood, while the ascending limb pumps sodium and ions out but doesn't allow water to escape, resulting in a more dilute filtrate. After the loop of Henle, the filtrate enters the distal convoluted tubule. There, additional reabsorption and secretion, adding substances that still need to be removed, such as H and K, ions, drugs, or toxins from the blood into the tubule, occur. Two important hormones are present: PTH, which reabsorbs calcium, and aldosterone, which reabsorbs sodium and excretes potassium.
The filtrate is then collected in the collecting duct, which receives fluid from many nephrons. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, plays a key role in regulating the amount of water reabsorbed by the kidneys. When the body is dehydrated, ADH levels increase, causing the kidneys to reabsorb more water from the filtrate, resulting in more concentrated and less urine. Conversely, when the body has excess fluid, ADH levels decrease, water reabsorption decreases, and the kidneys produce more dilute and more urine. After passing through the collecting duct, the final fluid in the form of urine flows into the ureter, then to the bladder and out of the body through the urethra. Thank you.